Hi, my name's Rob. I'm from apsgardenmachinery.com and I'd like to talk about Stihl's commercial 21-inch RM655 RS. Commercial it is, beautiful to work with. It's been out for the last couple of years and the reviews last year are smashing it in regards to its speed, its design. It's easy to use and very well thought through for people to operate. It has a Briggs & Stratton engine, auto choke. It has a BBC brake blade clutch system. It has a split metal rear roller. It has a 70-litre plastic grass collector with an indicator at the back to let you know when the grass box is full. The body is alley with powder coating powder coating to prevent the body from decaying. It has a mono handle, which has been something that hasn't been seen at all since Stihl brought this on to the market. Simple folding handle for storage and for being able to check if your blade's all intact or you need to change the blade. This makes it straight away easy before you even use the machine, because it's such a pain with these simple fixed arms at the back. With this being so easy to fold and you're able to lift this up, it just makes the whole job easy. This does weigh 50 kilos, but as you can see it's a metal rear roller. It has a skirting around here to protect the deck, so if there's any damage you can replace that. And going back to the mono handle, and as you saw me just doing there, I'm not struggling or having to get my arm under the other bar that's supporting the handle. It's just so easy to operate to empty the grass box. Going to the operating bit here with regards to the blade brake, it's a little bit backwards, as in towards the lever, because we're all used to having this as the operating lever for the blades. Germans still like to be a little bit different. It's at the back here, so it seems a bit floppy here. There's no bite to it. The reason for that is you lift that handle and there's a lever here. Pull that to, now that's locked in, and once I let go of that you hear that click and now the blade is disengaged. This is the self-propelled, and here is your throttle control. You do get a decent speed from this machine here compared to other manufacturers out there. Stihl have also got a simple central height adjuster just there. Just pull it up and down, it locks in. You've got 6 height adjusters there. What can I say? On our website apsgardenmachinery.com we are doing a great deal at the moment on these, so please have a look. There's some good prices on there. If there's any questions, just email me on my website address or rob@apsgardenmachinery.com. Thank you.